In India's agricultural heartland, the physical toll of traditional farming is steep. Aging men and women manually haul heavy tanks of chemicals, walking mile after mile through sweltering fields. To alleviate this, the government heavily subsidizes agricultural drone technology. Yet, across thousands of villages, actual grassroots adoption remains low. Dropping a highly complex piece of hardware into a remote field solves nothing. If there is no local infrastructure to charge the batteries, repair broken rotors, or legally pilot the aircraft, the machine is useless. Faced with a future limited to grueling manual labor, the next generation often leaves. Young adults pack their bags and migrate to urban centers, draining the countryside of its most capable workers. Modernizing agriculture requires a phygital solution. Deep tech software must be anchored by physical, localized infrastructure to empower the farmer and provide a path forward for the youth. This is the physical anchor of the solution. The MILU AI Drone Port is a solar-powered operations hub built directly into the fields it serves. This details the digital nervous system, the MILU Super App. It operates offline as a personal command center. To bypass literacy barriers, it utilizes the Boomi voice assistant. A farmer simply speaks their regional language, and the AI translates that audio into a service request. Behind the scenes, the software instantly maps the exact GPS boundaries of the farm. It runs AI diagnostics to identify specific crop threats, selects the precise chemical dosage required, and locks in a transparent rate of 600 rupees per acre. Complex agronomic data is distilled into a single one-tap command, ready for local fulfillment. But a digital request requires a human engine to fulfill it. MILU partners with certified drone manufacturers to establish remote pilot training organizations, local tech academies built right in the district. These academies offer unemployed rural youth a specialized curriculum. They master airspace clearance and flight mapping and pre-flight compliance, graduating as certified commercial pilots, known as drone DDs. The moment a farmer confirms an order, the local pilot receives the dispatch on her provider app. She quickly accepts the job, preps the hardware at the drone port, and initiates the flight mission. This dashboard tracks the master ERP layer. While airborne, the system monitors battery cycles, spray coverage, and airspace coordination in real time. Post-flight, the automated workflow logs a compliance report and instantly settles payment into the pilot's digital wallet. This system delivers more than a service. It supports a microeconomy powered by a trained local workforce. Beyond precision spraying, the platform coordinates 30 distinct modules of agricultural and financial services. The same platform triggers physical soil sample collections, processes digital crop loans, and dispatches transport trucks to move the final harvest to market. This precision approach is designed to increase overall crop yields and strengthen food security while reducing chemical waste through targeted application. By placing specialized roles for pilots, lab technicians, and mechanics directly in the village, the system provides a local career path for youth who would otherwise look to the cities for opportunity. MILU functions as the infrastructure for a phygital economy, where deep tech software and local livelihoods operate as a single